Welcome back, my friends, and happy Friday. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. I wanted to share this one because it was interesting to me. It's something that I don't see a lot when I am searching for remote jobs. Of course, the link to the job page, if you're interested in putting that application in, as well as this Glassdoor page, is linked in the YouTube description box below this video. And I just ask that if you like these job leads, please give me that direct feedback by giving this video a thumbs up, like button, and of course share with all your friends and family, because we all want to live our happiest, healthiest life working from home. Today's job lead is from the company Omaha Steaks. Now, I know I have personally seen them advertised online and throughout for many years now. It is somewhere that you can buy bulk steaks and meat and things. They have 258 reviews on Glassdoor with an employee satisfaction rating of 4.0 out of 5 stars. And they're hiring a steak advisor. Now, when you click the link in the YouTube description box, you're going to come to their main job page that has all their jobs listed. There's two different ways to get to the steak advisor job. In this what box right here, you can type the numbers 3257 and hit the enter or search for job button, and it'll come up. You can also just scroll all the way down here on this left sidebar. Under area of interest, it'll say work at home. There's only one job listed. If you click that work at home job box, it'll filter to all the jobs that are remote work from home, and it's going to be the only one. It's steak advisor. It is job number 3257. Now, quickly note that they have a part-time and full-time hours available. Again, this is completely work from home, and they're paying $16.83 an hour as base pay. Plus, they're paying a commission structure and bonuses on top of that. But they're basically looking for people who want to establish a long relationship with current customers, providing them with outstanding purchasing experience and answering any of their questions related to the Omaha steak products and customer care inquiries. As a sales account manager, you'll be building up your own portfolio of current customer accounts, and you'll place outbound phone calls, managing and growing the current customers, introducing them to any new products that Omaha Steaks is coming out with, answering their inquiries, and issuing any refunds. So this is completely customer service. You're going to have your own little customer base that you handle. While a 2-year college degree is preferred, it is not required. They say they don't require any degree. They do want somebody who has some kind of a previous sales experience. Of course, you have to have great PC experience and skills, being able to use like Outlook for email and type 40 words per minute. And you have to have great communication skills. All right. As always, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, because I do read those. Don't forget to give me that feedback by giving this video a thumbs up, like button, sharing with all your friends and family. And I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. I hope you have a fabulous weekend ahead, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.